In the course of human advancement, it has become very necessary that each of us acquires some digital skills. But the big question is how and where. And this is the big question that pushed me to search the net for how to come across a particular place that will guide me to acquire these digital skills. And this is what led me to an incredible journey that I had with Genius IT Brainery here in Ho. My name is Benjamin Komla Dokli, and I am an intrinsically motivated professional facilitator, a digital or a creative content writer, and then an entrepreneur. My question here is, where the world is going now, where would you be without a digital skill? That's the big question each of us should ask. And like I said earlier, this big question kept pushing me to find a big answer to my question. And my search led me to a place here in Ho called Genius IT Brainery. And I must tell you, when I came here, I had a shift of mindset. How and why did that happen? I decided to one day take myself on a journey. So I went through to get a laptop for myself, and unfortunately, it took me more than 5 minutes to locate letter K on this keyboard. So it made me feel very bad, but thank God, today here I am. I took myself on a wonderful journey, and when I located Genius IT Brainery, we had wonderful teachers who have been in this game. They gave us practical education, hands-on training, and now I can boast that I am a very good person. Well, let me brag about that, because now I am proudly a graphic designer. I am also a data analyst by the grace of God, and also I am a website developer. Now I am encouraging everybody to find a place to get these digital skills, because where the world is shifting to is either you update your skill and stay relevant, or you fade out. So I have a very simple message for everyone out there. Quickly rush to Genius IT Brainery and stay relevant. Thank you.